Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Between Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, even Pinterest, it feels like you have to be everywhere all at once to succeed. The truth is, you only need to master one platform at a time in order for you to start making money online. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down the different platforms just so that I can help you pick the one that's best for you. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, originally from Malawi and studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business without having any technical skills, any experience, even spending money on paid ads, just so that you can finally fire your boss and get to spend more quality time with your family. Now, why picking one platform is key for busy moms just like you is that if you're hopping from platform to platform, each platform is different and you could end up overwhelmed, frustrated, and confused and end up giving up, right? It's easier to grow faster if all your energy is focused on one platform till you master that platform. Then you can move on to other platforms, and it builds confidence when you start seeing results. Results are the biggest motivation for anybody in building a business or staying focused and consistent in whatever it is they're doing. Now, let's go through the major platforms and go through the pros and cons for busy moms just like you. Instagram is easy to create short content. It has this community feel, but it requires consistent posting, right? It's recommended to post 3 to 5 times a day. The same goes for TikTok. The pro is that it's actually fast, organic, and it's beginner friendly. It has the easy button, and it's actually encourages new beginners. It actually helps you grow your channel as a beginner. And the con is that the trends move very fast, so you need to be ready to do regular updates. So again, on TikTok, you're posting 3 to 5 times a day. Then we have YouTube. This is where you are right now watching this video. The pro is that it's evergreen content. This video that you're watching right now, you could be watching it years from now, right? Now, the main con that is it takes a lot of time to create the video, edit the video, optimize the video, and so you can only most people post one video a day, one video a week, or a couple of videos a week, right? So it's not that it takes a lot of time to just create one content and post that. Now, Facebook is great because you can get that organic reach. You can grow a community. You can network with like-minded people, and the organic part of it is a con because that Facebook wants you to spend money to share with a larger audience, right? Because organically it shares with a small percentage of your audience. So how to choose the best platform for you, okay? The most important thing as a marketer, what question you need to ask yourself is, who is my target audience? Understand exactly who your target audience is. Then understand where are they hanging out. That's where you need to be. You need to be where your target audience is running out, and understand what type of content do they enjoy. Do you enjoy creating? Do you enjoy creating videos like this, text, graphics? And what kind of content resonates best with your target audience? These are things that you need to ask yourself before jumping into a platform. And then how much time realistically each week do you have to devote to this platform? One of the things you can ask yourself is, where are you? Where are you hanging out the most? Where are you spending most time? Which platform? Chances are people like you, your target audience, are on those platforms as well. So you're already on the platform, liking and scrolling and commenting. Why not turn your platforms into storefront and start creating, turning that time you're spending just entertaining yourself to actually income producing activities to building your business? So these are the questions that you need to ask yourself before committing into a platform that you want to commit to. So if you're interested in learning more about digital marketing, last year I came across a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. And one of the things that I'm learning in this blueprint is all about all these platforms, social media marketing, including YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'm learning all these things from this platform. So what I want to invite you to do is I want to share with you the bonus site that we have in this community, where we have a community of over 55,000 members. 115 are online right now. It's almost 9:22 in Dublin, and they're online right now because they're spread across the world in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, uh, uh, um, New Zealand, Indonesia, everywhere across the world. And one thing I love about this program is, even though it is a one-time payment with no monthly subscription, this is an August calendar. Every single week, we have live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure mentors, right? Now, the classroom is just where we have additional tools and resources. My multi-millionaire just started this 30-day momentum map where she's taking us by the hand for 30 days, walking us through step by step, giving us activities that we need to do to build our social media following, right? So this is very powerful, complements this video so well. She just finished this 90-day freedom sprint where for 90 days she took us by the hand, walked us step by step through focusing on building our business on a daily basis. Very, very powerful. We have a free webinar details where our multi-millionaire and 6-figure mentors do the selling and the telling for us. We have mindset training, mentoring replays. We even have a content vault where you can download this content and use it for your social media. So I want to finish off by sharing some of the wins we have in our community. 3 days ago, Caroline said, $1,200 in sales. Just made my first sale today. I honestly didn't know what to expect when I joined, but I stayed consistent, followed the steps, and finally it happened, right? Bridget, 21 minutes ago, made $900 sale while in hospital. I am at my saddest moment. My son is hospitalized, but the sale just put a smile on my face. I blessed the day I crossed path with this program, right? Sending her son all positive vibes, prayers, healing energy, so he gets better. But as she's with him in hospital, she doesn't have to worry about finances. That's absolutely amazing. Christy, 5 days ago, one sale away from 50,000 in under a year. Christy has earned 50,000 in under a year, one sale away from that. Last year, I knew nothing about digital marketing. I didn't even know what a digital product was. I was burnt out from my last MLM. And honestly, I was hopeful, but still fearful. Congratulations. Sandra, 7 hours ago, $900 ding while batch creating content. This is the life. Hi there, family. Happy Sunday to all. First and foremost, I've got to give a big southern shout out to Michelle for the 30-day momentum. It's pure fire. That's what I just shared with you. It is pure fire. It's designed to help you grow your social media. Mindy made $773 passively while my hubs and I were just hanging out at the neighbors tonight. 3 sales came in, 773 in passive income. Congratulations. Christina, 4 days ago, 1,800 in 3 days, being mom first, right? I will forever blow my mind that as a stay-at-home mom like me with zero experience can bring in an income like this, working a couple of hours a day. Absolutely amazing. Tatile, I woke up to $100 sale. I woke up 6:30 a.m., checked my email and found a notification from a PayPal that came in at 2:53 while she was sleeping. Absolutely amazing. So these are the different wins that we have. Sabina, $900 plus 100 on a Saturday. A sale come in while preparing breakfast, and another one while taking a nap, because we have automated marketing systems working for us. Now, what we have here is a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing. No experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to learn the skills to build a successful digital business. Now, this month, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, go ahead and type blueprint in the comments so I can send you a a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your inbox. Check your spam folder, check your promotional folder. And once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to the email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.